Tonight I'm in the mood for some junk food. So I'm in the mood for a burger. So I'm getting ready to make myself a gourmet burger. So this burger is a 93.7. That means it's very lean, doesn't have that much fat. So I'm gonna add some butter to it for added fat because I don't want it to dry out. So I'm not gonna put a lot of butter, just a little bit in the middle. And I'm gonna add, I love avocado cheese. I love that sweet and just a sweet, buttery flavor. It's just such a flavorful cheese. So I'm gonna just put that in there. So here she is, my cheese is in, she's nicely seasoned. It looks big, but remember what I said, it's a 93.7, so it's gonna shrink a little bit. So my cheese is nicely tucked in and she's ready to go. So I'm gonna place her in a nice hot pan. So I have my burger going, and while the burger is going, I'm gonna drop some fries. Got my fries going. Got my So my fries are all done. Gonna rest them in here to drain off the excess oil. And there she goes. There she goes. My cheeseburger, gourmet cheeseburger, my way.